How to find all reposts on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can find all the reposts on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find all reposts on TikTok, normally what happens is that if you open the TikTok application, you happen to repost a certain video, and where do you find all of the videos that you have reposted? Well, it's very simple to do that. You have to make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. After you tap the profile icon over here, you should be able to see a list of your videos. If you want to find the videos you have reposted, at the middle you'll find the option called infinity loop icon over here. So when you tap on that icon, you should be able to see a list of videos that you have reposted personally. This way you should be able to go ahead and then find your repost on TikTok. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.